Once I told my wife, "You are wasting foods at home." She replied, "You buy too much food which we are unable to consume and then waste it." I said, "Who makes the shopping list? You." She said, "No, our housemaid and kids make the shopping list." This is the blame game. I want to say everyone in the family is responsible. That is wife, husband, kids, housemaid and all. Even you cannot say impossible we are wasting until a food waste audit has been done. This video is going to provide a few tips to handle and reduce food loss and waste at home and to emphasize love foods and hate waste culture. We should not take food loss and waste as simple. Globally, around 40% of food we grow is lost and wasted. We could feed nearly double the world population. Global food waste costs approximately $1 trillion. You could learn the consequences of food loss and waste in my earlier video. The link is given in the description box. Please watch this video until the end and subscribe to our channel if you like this video. Planning is the most important step and key to reduce food loss and waste at home. Planning means meal planning as well as making grocery shopping lists. The best possible planning can make shopping equal to consumption, that is no loss and waste. Meal planning could avoid purchasing instant unhealthy or junk foods when there is no earlier plan of meals. It is an instant temptation, for example, fried chicken and pizza. It is important to plan the meals for a week and write a shopping list for the week before we do our groceries. This way we could reduce food waste because we will not buy anything unnecessary that's not in the plan. Even after meal planning, if there is excess, then we need to know how to keep leftover rather than throwing out. Making a shopping list has many benefits. A shopping list could reduce impulse buying and focus on the food stuff we really need. It is a realistic idea of what and how many items to buy. We should focus and stick to the plan. We could feel good by avoiding waste. With our shopping list, we could also avoid falling into sneaky psychological tricks that stores use to make us buy and spend more, like free trials and limited stock. It could avoid overspending, saving time and saving money. We could avoid shopping multiple times if we had a definite shopping list, thus saving time. In addition, a shopping list could avoid tempting people to purchase junk or unhealthy food, and then we could hook to the purchase healthy foods as planned in the list. As a consumer, we need to know how to select, purchase and handle foods in the supermarket and bringing foods on the dining table. For example, if we buy frozen chicken on a hot summer and place it in the car and then move around a couple of hours, the chicken would be defrosted in the car and spoiled by the time we reach home. It would be the best to place the frozen products in an insulated bag or box to avoid defrosting and spoilage. For fresh vegetables, it may not be spoiled, but quality would be reduced and could be unable to use within few days, even stored in the refrigerator. We need to know the right way of filling the shopping trolleys. First, dry canned foods, pickles and oils, then bakery, and then chilled and frozen foods at the end. We should learn how to handle each type of food. Purchasing local products could provide fresher and tastier as well as saving money, as it could be cheaper. Fresher fruits and vegetables will last longer fresh. Variations in foods are important for consumption. Cooking several meals with similar ingredients could be good. For example, think of 2 to 3 ways to use cooked chicken and plan to roast a whole pumpkin and then use it for soups and salads. This will keep appealing to the meals and could reduce waste. It is important to avoid boring meals without excitement. Food should be pleasant to consume, not boring. Sensory pleasure is one of the important aspects of eating. We commonly peel mangoes and consume flesh. However, I use the peels for making smoothie. This provides me with free fibers, functional polyphenols, and other health functional components. Get innovative with our cooking. You could try cooking with a bit innovative. It could be done by using new seasonal ingredients. You could have recipes from cookbook or Google or use yours. You could often learn best by watching YouTube videos, tapping into the knowledge of a friend or family member who loves to cook. Making tasty and healthy foods will build the love food and hate waste culture. Leftovers on the dining table should not be thrown away, and we need to know proper handling of leftovers. It is important to know how to handle the leftovers safely. It is a wider topic, and I will make another video on the issues and handling of leftovers. The important factors I would like to summarize: first, planning, making shopping list, follow shopping guidelines, variation in meals, innovation in cooking, handling leftover, proper storing, understand expiration date, that is use by and best before dates, understand when to discard, composting, and growing your own. I have discussed few points in this video, and the rest factors I will explain in another video. First, it is important to make planning and follow, and then we should take other steps or measures if we are unable to make adequate and efficient plan. Finally, we should build and foster the love food and hate waste culture. I would like to thank you for watching this video until the end. Please subscribe to our channel if you like this video.